I'm happy that these are coming off pretty easy. I'm gonna go around and take those off, and we'll come back and apply them. So these are the black ones I ordered. Once again, this is a Temu item. And hopefully after 3 attempts, 8 applications, I'll be able to get this one just right. So these come on one strip, and in order to apply them the best way I'm hoping it's going to work, I'm going to need to separate them. Now that's going to be, go ahead and remove your front, of course, and on the back, only peel a portion of it down and get it in place. And then just start rubbing it in place from the top down. And as you get to the part you're working, slowly peel it back. Now after my 13th attempt, I think I like that one much better. And I like the black because you don't see the air bubbles that's trapped under it. For the most part, I think that one went on all together really well because I don't feel any air bubbles and it looks pretty smooth. Could have lined it up a little bit better, but hey, I think that'll work. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these in place. To the front. Put it back just far enough. Peel that back just far enough to where you can get up in there. Probably have to bow it a little bit. Line it up to where you want. And then just start rubbing it from the top down. Side to side, slowly peeling it off as you get to that area, to that spot. And I think that black tends to offset it a little bit better than that clear as well. I like that.